Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll share with you an important update regarding Nexira Airdrop. So if you scroll down a bit in their X profile, they shared an update where they mentioned Airdrop Ruby Conversion is now live. So now you can convert your Ruby to Nexira tokens. Also, if you see this post where they mentioned the conversion rate, which is 15 Ruby equal to 1 Nexi token. As for the pricing, there is no official update available, but some unknown sources say the price could be 0.05 and you may need to pay a small withdrawal fee as well. And to unlock your tokens, you need to complete KYC verification and it's mandatory. I'll show you how you can verify. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for the latest videos. And most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share all the latest news and updates. So all links are in the description, so check them out. So first you need to log into your Nexira account. Then click here on the profile section. And here at the bottom you can see how many Ruby points you have. So to verify, then click here on the Dab section. Then click here on My Rewards Central. Then here you will find all your claimable boxes. So to complete the KYC verification, click here on Convert Airdrop Ruby. Then you will see this form which you must complete to get the airdrop. So here you need to enter your name, then enter your email, then select your date of birth, then select your country, and here put your home address. Then here you need to upload your identity document. You can use your passport, national ID or driving license, any of them. Then here you enter the amount to convert Ruby to Nexi. For example, if I put maximum, then it will not allow it. It says I can only exchange 7,500 Ruby, which gives me around 500 Nexi tokens. If you want, you can stake your tokens for 90 days, but I recommend not staking here. So select no. Then solve the CAPTCHA. Then click on submit. And done. So our conversion is successful. And again, if you click here again, then you can see I already converted 7,500 Ruby. So now you need to wait for the TGE to get your tokens. And that's all for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like and share this video. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.